Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that gets kids excited about science and math, and we've got our Tekno SCT410.3. It's a 10th scale short course truck that we've turned into a monster truck here. We are going to cover in this episode how we made some rear mud guards. So in these four-wheel drive trucks, if you're out running in the mud and whatnot, or even the grass, a lot of gunk just gets thrown up by the front tires and hits the rear, right? It just slings off of here and hits the rear. So, real cars have like mud guards or mud flaps. What you'll see on RCs sometimes is something like this. Like if you take a look at our NT48, you'll see these mud guards in the back, and these are extremely useful. People sell them for like ARMA A-scale vehicles as well, but we had some spare Lexan lying around from, usually when you cut up or you trim a Lexan body, you're gonna have some scraps left over like this. I just kind of tucked these away, knowing that I'd probably have a use for it, and lo and behold, making some mud guards. So, you could trace out a template or whatever. I just actually literally just used one of these scraps and cut it down to size and came up with something like this. So you can see it there. Basically, I just lined it up and then drilled a hole here for a screw. So there are actually two screw holes in these. You might be able to get these for the EB48SL because it uses the same chassis essentially. Even the arms are the same. So that's probably why they have these holes in those A-arms for these mud flaps, because they don't come standard on the short course truck, the SCT. So anyways, this is what I've made, and I'm going to go ahead and screw this in. And then, actually the second hole is a little bit tricky to get to because it actually is behind the chassis there. So I'll probably have to use like an angled driver to get in there, like a ball tipped driver. But this is what it looks like. And, of course, we're going to have to drill that second hole, but and it allows for the full range of suspension travel, and this should keep a lot of the gunk off of our drivetrain, so we don't have to do as much cleanup after bashing. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below. We have a full playlist of all of our videos on this truck in the video description. So like, comment, subscribe, and thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time.